And so the first drama is that they can't find my ticket. Not quite true. I checked in last night, the 24 hours before, as I could over the internet, downloaded my boarding pass, and then the potential upgrade came up. So I upgraded using my Qantas points, frequent flyer points, and that goes into the ether for a while. And then this morning about 10 o'clock it said the upgrade offer had been accepted, and so upgraded to business class from Adelaide to Sydney. I thought was a good idea. Apparently it's buggered up the system, and so I don't know how long I've been waiting here for now. 15 minutes while they sorted out. The people on the service desk apparently not able to do it. It's controlled by the airport, whatever that means. No doubt we'll get through in due course.